What's up, fellas? Back again. I'm relaxed and calm today. Listen, now we're gonna do something new. We're gonna do a backdrop painted. This is gonna be how to do a painted backdrop. What I'm gonna do is go ahead to Walmart or Home Depot and get 2 cans of paint. 2 cans of paint is just a starter. And what it's gonna be is I'm gonna do the top part and the bottom part, 2 different blues. The bottom will be a lighter blue, the top part will be a slightly darker. Then I'll just take a 3-inch brush and I will blend them both together so that you get kind of a good mix right there when they're both wet. Pretty quick and easy. It's gonna be simple to do. I'll do this whole section right here. We'll get it all said and done. Painting your backdrop is gonna be the most cost-effective and best way for any layout, especially such a large layout. It's gonna cost you hundreds less than any photo backdrop, no matter where you get it done, even if you get it done at Walmart. Basically, we're basically gonna paint the backdrop blue, sky blue, and that covers at least the basics of all the backdrops. Let me head to Walmart or Home Depot to get the paint, and then we'll be back and finish up this backdrop, all right? I'll see you in a little bit.
Peace out!
I'm coming right back. What do you mean, peace out? We'll be back. All right, guys, I am back from Walmart and Home Depot. I'm not too happy because Walmart didn't have the base coat paint that I needed for the 2 colors. So now I ended up with 3 different colors here. So let me show you the 3 colors. I told you you're only gonna need 2 to make the blending. I'm gonna make this work, even though there's 3. So the first one was from Walmart right here. As you can see, that's a color, and this is the color difference, right? And the first and second one. The second 2 are from Home Depot. So these 2 are really close because they're gonna blend together. So you can clearly see right there. You can see the shade difference. More of a darker blue. This would be the top sky, and this would be the lower. Both very light. I am going to do this. The light and the dark, I'm gonna go top and bottom, roll across, and then I'm gonna use the 4-inch paint, dip it into the semi-lighter one, and I'm gonna just go right, featherly go through to blend them both in. Is it gonna work 100% for sure? At this moment, I can't say I'm 100% sure that'll blend correctly. The real sky is actually a darker blue. I know, myself included, we always go for the lighter blue color, but this is like the actual real sky. It's actually like this blue or bluer. I'm gonna start light blue, dark blue on top, and I'm gonna feather it with the other color. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like I did last time. I'm gonna start on this end, so I'll move the camera over to this end. So as I said earlier before, I'm going to have 2-inch foam, which is right here. Now this 2-inch foam will ultimately block anything along the bottom, so it doesn't need to go right along the bottom. Will I go right along the bottom? Probably, because I guess that OCD thing again, right? Oh, and another thing, I got semi-gloss this time around, not flat, semi-gloss. We'll see. Wow, it's a pretty good blend, huh? Pretty damn good if you ask me myself, son. Pretty good. So the key to doing this is when it's wet, obviously, because you're gonna get that nice blend, right? Once you get that blend over, the paint's going over, you're just gonna go left to right, and then everything that you have there, it's gonna blend nice and smooth. That is the dance of success. So with this blending technique, I quickly realized you almost can't mess it up. You really can't. You have the 2 different color paints. I only have the 3rd because a mistake at Walmart, right? Not having the other paint I needed. I'm using it in the middle, blending it, and you can clearly see the blend is like perfect as shit. Listen, this shit looks off the hook, so it's just right. I'm gonna finish up, I guess, all the way down this wall. I'll be back with you.
Dad?
Yes, honey? I love you too.
What are you doing down here?
Painting?
Oh! Painting the wall?
Something like that, honey, something like that.
Wow, you're painting dough!
Painting the backdrop, honey.
Oh. It's gonna be white on the bottom.
Not white, but a lighter blue, honey.
A lot of blue. Or seriously, a lot. Now it's all blue. It's all blue now.
It is all blue now, I know.
Hi guys. You can see me? You can see me, guys. You can see me, guys. You can see me, guys. You see me? That's not paint, Dad. See? I painted paint. Oh, it is. It's like a light one. A lighter color. The lighter color. Dad, you need to get here to there, all the way down there. You need to get to there. There.
Yeah, can you hush?
There. Stop. Keep over. When I wake, when I know. That's a real right, because the trees wrap the ball. Dad, I love you more.
I love you more.
I love you more. And everything together, and this one like this will go back and check. But and they're safe. There. They've been safe.
From failure of the first backdrop installation to success with painting, this is how to do your backdrop MonsterRailroad style, son. Simple, I didn't do anything special. I just showed you how easy it is with paint. It's a much different contrast to the last video I showed you. For now, your boy Al's gonna be out. So I'll see you on a rebound, son. Peace out.
Peace out.
Too late, Tia, too late.